sinner who's probably gonna sin again. Oh, forgive me. It's really not that bad. For real.
Are you serious?
Yeah. I just got a game. I just got a game. Na 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 na.
Hey, what's the matter? Where's the zoom button? Where's the zoom button?
It doesn't work when you're recording.
Eat the bread. Why are you crying?
Open it.
Give it to me.
I'm okay. Wanna give me another one?
Yeah. Seeds and all.
Oh.
Ready?
Don't touch your eyes.
I told you not to touch your eyes.
This means I get something else too.
Don't forget that other half.
I'm not eating the whole thing. That's stupid. Because that's basically 2.
No. That's one.
No, it's not. Okay?
Tell her. That is cut in thirds, so
Mom.
you eat the whole thing. Go ahead. Just throw them both in at the same
I'm
time.
folding it. Calm down. That's not fair.
Go ahead. You said you would do it. Let's get a good close up on her face. Chew. Don't touch your eyes. Don't, no. Turn around. Look at the camera.
Please stop.
Hey, do not puke on my couch.
Okay. Turn it off. Okay. Please stop.
No. Look at her nose.
Please turn it off. Please stop. Can I get more milk? My God.
Probably gonna have to buy my milk, baby. You good? Ashley, look at the camera. Hey, that is not godly like.
Help me! Make it go away!
Alright, first you gotta say goodbye. Oh wait, no, we can't miss this. Do another piece of bread.
No.
Okay. Better? Oh look, give a smile for the camera and I'll turn it off.